Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I am going to be doing a review and testing out Maybelline Tattoo Studio. This one is in 257 medium brown, which should be pretty good, but we'll see. But yeah, that's the before, that's the after, so a lot darker. This is the product, this is what it looks like. So it comes with like a little spoolie brush. I'm going to bring you guys in before we actually go in and start doing this, but this is basically like a powder brow or like a micro bleeding, like at home thing to do, so you don't have to get those expensive procedures. It gives you the chance to do something like this at home, or it can give you like a good idea of what you would look like if you were to get like powder brows or microblading. So yeah, I'm really curious to test this out. Alright, I've got you guys in nice and close. My brows are completely natural, untouched. Should probably read the directions. Okay, it says remove excess formula from the tip. Short, smooth strokes starting mid-brow, then fill and blend towards the start of the brow. Fill tail. Optional, blend with spoolie, let dry for 1 minute. Okay, so I went in and filled in the other brow with the Tattoo Studio gel. So this gel is supposed to basically take the spot of filling in your eyebrows. You don't have to draw them in, you don't have to powder them in, you don't have to do anything except brush this product over it. And it's waterproof, and it's supposed to keep your brows in place and filled in and look very seamless and natural. So right now it's coming off a little dark, but that might be okay. So at the end of this, I'm going to have a little bit more makeup on so you guys can see it, obviously with a natural, no makeup face right now. And then with a face of, I don't do like dramatic makeup, but I will have like my eyes done up and, you know, my under eyes concealed, so you guys know what it looks like with. So this is kind of what it looks like. Looks really good. I might have to just kind of go in spots where it needs fixing, but overall I think it looks really great, and it's actually keeping my brows in place. It's drying really quickly, and I really like the fact that this is like a one and done. Okay, so here is the final look. I have makeup on. Here are the brows. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with them. I think they look amazing. They make my whole face look so much more complete. I think the color payoff is amazing. They feel like they ain't going nowhere. There's like a tacky feeling to it, but it's like, it's almost like they're like glued in place. So they're not going to budge, they're not going to move around. I'd be careful like scratching at them, because that could probably mess them up, or you know, you could accidentally rip out an eyebrow or two, which you don't want, because we love a full brow. But I think it's so easy to use, it's so effortless, it just looks so natural. It's not blotchy, it's not streaky, it's not like clumpy. As long as you like wipe off the excess product, you're good. However, we're going to test, this is a wet paper towel. I'm going to put it on my brows to see if anything comes off. It's been about 15 minutes. So I'm kind of nervous. Okay, I patted really hard and I'm not seeing anything coming off. Nothing. So yeah, the fact that this is waterproof is amazing because I can't wait to bring this to the beach this weekend. We have like a family beach trip that we're going to, and your girl is going to be sporting the brows right here. So that is going to be it for this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have tried out the Tattoo Studio Brow Gel by Maybelline, let me know how you like it, and if you've tried other colors, which one's great for you. I think the medium brown is perfect for me. I think if I went any darker, it would be too dark, and any lighter would probably be too light. So I think this is the perfect shade. It's almost like a taupey medium ashy brown with a little bit of warmth, which is perfect. So happy. I recommend this product so much. I think it was like in the $7 or $8 range. I'll have the product linked down below with the price and everything about it. I love it. I think you guys should try it. It's a game changer. I'm hooked. Every time I try a new Maybelline product, I'm like just even more blown away by their products. If you haven't seen my Maybelline Sky High Mascara review, definitely check that out. I'll link it up here somewhere in the info tab that you see come across the screen. I'll also have it listed down below in the description box. Their products are amazing. I can't recommend them anymore. Maybelline, please work with me someday. I'm manifesting this right now because I love their products. They're amazing, so well priced. You don't have to go out and spend $600 on powder brows unless you want to, and if you do you, because I probably will eventually, honestly, to be very frank, because I want to wake up with beautiful brows one day. But if you need a cheaper alternative, this is your go-to. It is for even the amateur brow artists like myself. I'm horrible at filling in brows, at least I think so, and this was super easy to do. I can't rave enough about it. I think you should try it. If you have, let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments, and until I see you in my next video, bye guys!